Looking for low-cost screws and bolts from a real manufacturer? Welcome to Quanfan, a screw and fastener factory in northern China. Here, we produce large volumes every day to meet global demand. Cold heading machines shape screw heads with industrial efficiency. Thread rolling is fast and consistent, no frills, just production. We may not be the fanciest factory, but we deliver stable quality at low prices. Automatic packing lines ensure fast delivery with bulk stock available. Custom sizes, labels, and packaging can be done based on your needs. Most of our clients come from Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and more. You're sourcing fasteners, get them straight from the source, Quanfan. No middlemen, just factory direct pricing and solid supply. Need reliable fasteners at factory prices? Contact Quanfan today for a quote or sample.